Alright guys, so this is my 3000 watt Vevor grain grinder. Use it mainly for the chickens. I've already ran one batch of corn. So I usually buy cheap deer corn and turn it into chicken feed. They love it. So this is what we're going to do. So pretty much it's a 3000 watt motor. From base till the top of the hopper, it's about 28 inches. This is great for 5-gallon buckets. Just setting underneath. So you just literally simply fill up the hopper. Got my little scooper here. Got my deer corn right here. Get the hopper filled up. Here's your on and off switch. Here is your adjustment for what the flow is coming from the hopper into the grinder. The grinder, you can open it up here and you can use this dial to make it more coarse or fine, whatever you want. We have ours dialed in, so we're going to leave it alone. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and turn it on and start grinding some feed. So pretty much did a 5-gallon bucket of deer corn. Turned into some gorgeous scratch feed for the chickens. They love it. And yep, highly recommended. Check it out, guys.